Welcome to Florida Jeep Rides. It's Wednesday, and we're with the Wednesday Wheelers up in Dunellen, and we're getting ready to go to Goethe National Forest. Say hi.
Hi.
Steve and Ann.
How y'all?
If you were talking to me, I didn't hear anything. Antenna. Gotcha.
Be careful where you step in there.
Yep.
The forest can be kind of rough. This is the hunting lodge. This property was only purchased by the state in 1992. J.T.Goethe owned 42,000 something acres here for logging. They were after big yellow pine and cypress trees, but he selectively harvested the lumber up until he was well into his 80s. He came down from South Carolina, and then they went into Georgia. They followed the lumber industry as they came down here. And what they would do is they would try to purchase this tract of land that would last them 10 years or more.
Oh, okay.
So they harvested and lumbered this entire area. In 1992, Lawton Childs, under a Conservation Act, purchased the property for approximately
I don't remember.
$56 million.
The bargain.
He was at that time either in his late 80s or early 90s. So he passed away a couple years after the purchase was made, a big millionaire for the land that was out here. It was added to additional land, so there's over 53,000 acres of forest out here. They still harvest lumber. That's why there's select areas that are cleared out. He had no kids.
Oh my God.
So, but he had 3 brothers and a sister. One brother that passed away at 5, and he ran the railroad here. As we're going down the highway, as we get out back on pavement, if you look to the right, you'll see a berm. That's the old railroad tracks, because they used to haul the lumber. He said it was difficult to haul the lumber out until they invented these trucks. When trucks came out, I mean, this guy's was born before turn of the century. So, and trucks came out, and that made harvesting the lumber a whole lot easier. So, as he is gone, died in the 90s, we now get to reap the benefits of his selective harvesting by a pristine natural environment.
And then the lumber that was harvested, was that for a particular purpose?
A lot of it was sent off to Africa. A lot of his lumber was sent off to Africa. I'll put a link underneath the video for today that'll have an interview that was done back in the 90s by a college student who interviewed him. And it's a little bit colorful language-wise at times, but and some of it's and there's like just a dash line with a question mark because they couldn't understand exactly what he was saying. But he was a good old boy that followed lumber around and that's where the name Goethe comes from. So, and this again was a hunting lodge.
Where does the name come from?
Goethe comes from J.T. Goethe. 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 It's spelled G-O-E-T-H-E. The way that they described it was, say it's Southern. Not German. It's a German name from German heritage. And so, but they said they pronounced it down here with Southern, so it's Goethe.
Goethe, y'all.
Goethe. Yeah, Goethe. It's Goethe, y'all.
And watch not walking into spider webs either.
Right around the center where they have power out here.
I don't know.
Look at that big blue-tailed skink.
Oh, yeah.
Where?
It went around the corner.
Oh.
Right there.
What do you call those, a skink?
That's a blue-tailed skink.
I get some of those around my Ocala house.
Yeah.
They're beautiful. They're so pretty.
They get quite a bit bigger than the little geckos.
Yeah. He's beautiful looking. That's cool. Thank you.
This is a pretty big cabin here. There's a concrete thing here with people. There were people carved their names into it when the cement was still wet.
Any dates on it?
Yeah.
1989 to 1990.
1989, 30 years ago. Looks like a very well built outhouse there.
Mm-hmm. Except it doesn't have a hole. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hold on. Matthew said he sees a snake, but it's in a place where he can't get it.
Banded water snake.
You want your stick?
No. tree that was 907 years old. We stopped by the Red Lodge. Dogwoods are in bloom. So though there's no ups and downs and mud holes, and there's only a few very shallow creek crossings, this is a beautiful, easy ride that you could easily take on your own. If you have a reliable vehicle, it's easy. You can drive this. A lot of this stuff could be driven in a car with no issues. Don't leave anybody behind. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Florida Jeep Rides.